Today I'm going to show you how to replace this HP battery, the laptop battery. Okay, so you can see here the battery is swollen like this is quite dangerous. So the best way that we replace it or just remove it. Before you replace the battery, you have to make sure that what model of this battery. You can check from your model. Okay, what model of your laptop first. Here I can know that this laptop, the model is TPN-Q201. Refer on this model, we can check what is the code of this battery. So we just buy this battery and replace it. Then I Google this laptop model, okay, and I found that the code for this laptop battery is HD03XL. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so time to replace this battery. Okay, first step, we need to remove these 3 screws and also check that any screw, okay, any hidden screw, okay, under this rubber stand. Nothing here, also nothing here. Okay, here's one. Here's the one. This is all fine screw I removed from this laptop. Okay, now try to open up this cup. Okay, wow, look at this battery. Now we quickly remove it. Look, it's swollen like this. Okay, so check and see the battery I bought, is it same or not? Okay, 03XL. Okay, the screw part is here. Yeah, should be the same. Okay, now I want to remove this battery, and I also want to remove this 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remove number 1 first. Okay, so this is a new battery. Slot in. Yeah, there is. Okay, battery is replaced. Okay, and now we take this opportunity to clean this CPU fan. And this one is a hard drive. Okay, and this is a memory, is RAM. Okay, now we want to clean the fan. We can use a brush, will do. Okay, now we can close this cover. The cover is this side. Okay, now let's just try and see whether it can work or not. Switch on power. HP logo come out. This HP logo is coming out, and see everything work fine or not. Okay, mission complete.